How to change your voice pitch in Capcut application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can change the voice pitch in Capcut application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Capcut application in your mobile device. Create a new project or simply open up an existing one. For now, we will just create a new project, then add the video in your timeline or select the video that you want to edit. Then tap on add. Now once you have added your video, first of all you have to extract the audio from your video. For that, tap on your video on the timeline and navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. Swipe the menu bar to your left and there you will see an option as extract audio. Tap on it. Wait for a while until the audio gets extracted. Now the audio has been extracted. Now in order to change or in order to adjust the voice pitch, you have to tap on the audio. After that, you have to choose voice effects or the audio effects from the bottom menu. Here, scroll through the options and select it. You will see options like lo-fi, echo, deep, high, low, and keep on scrolling. So from here, let's just select one option. It is high. So tap on high. Now if you want to adjust the pitch, tap on this adjust icon and now from here you can select the pitch. With the help of this slider, you can select or you can adjust the pitch for your audio. Once you have your preferred pitch selected, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Again, tap on the tick mark. Now once you have adjusted your pitch, you can simply tap on the play button and listen your voice sound. If you are satisfied, tap on the export at the top right and export to save your video with the modified voice. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.